So today I am going to teach you design on pebble. Okay, here I got this type of pebble. See, according to the pebble shape you will decide your design. Okay, sometimes you get flat, on that you can make faces, that looks very nice. Okay, so you will decide design according to the pebble. Now I got like this round. Here on this I can do any animal or flower design or anything. It's little round, so even animal shape, cat shape will look very nice on this. Okay, whatever design want you can do it. Okay, now today I am showing one simple butterfly design on this. Okay, how to do, let's see. Okay, for this first you require this pebble, fabric colors. If you don't have fabric colors you can use simple poster colors will do. Okay, first we have to draw a design whatever you are doing on your paper, and then we will start its coloring. I will use white color and directly I am drawing. You can use sketch pen for drawing. Okay, or you can draw with pencil, little shiny lines you will get, but here I am using colors. With color only I will put black white outline, so drawing will be clear for you. Okay, so here it is flat portion, and see I am holding this way so that my design will look proper. Very nice shape of butterfly I am doing on this. Take any simple design, you will enjoy it. Then slowly you can practice little difficult designs. See, these details we can do afterwards. Here I'll put like this shape. See, my drawing is ready. Now we'll start coloring. Okay, on this if you want you can make details, but I'm going to do directly with. Okay, I'll draw and show you. Here I'll make two lines. Okay, here I'll make circles, because very simple design I am doing on this. Okay, whatever is your design you complete and then start coloring. Now first I will color my background. Students, I want to color my background first. See, behind this whatever is background, I'll color this first. And even there you can use shading light to dark. Okay, full pebble you have to color. So remain portion we can color afterwards, or after practice even you can do it. You will develop your creativity with this different type of texture paintings, so keep doing. See, now I want to do some shading. Remain this I am doing with light and with this type of texture. Okay, I'll fill full background here with texture. After dry you can color base even. Okay, so this way background I colored first. Okay, now we'll color butterfly. Okay, see, while coloring butterfly I am using orange, red, mixing with orange. Okay, like this, different color shades. I took red, so this way we will complete our coloring. Whatever colors of your choice you will apply. Okay, and then finally with black outline we will complete it. Okay, here you can see different color are used. With black outline we will complete our design. See, for outline you must use pointed color, pointed brush and black color shade. Even with different colors you can use for outline, not necessary that only black is for outline. You can use any other color. Here I am using black. Black outline. With that it's look very nice. See, even in the background I put light blue, because of that even it's looking nice. Okay, if you want you can stick some sequence around. You have to do one thing. These are fabric colors, so it's already glossy, but to preserve it more you can apply one coat of varnish on this. After dry it properly you can apply coat of varnish. Okay, it gives very nice effect, and even varnish it is preservative also, so you can preserve your design. As a paperweight you can use it. Okay, here even I'll complete outline for circles, but yes, on circle I'll put outline which will be little different, means circle, out of that one more circle. Same way here also. See, it's looking very nice. So do it and use it as a paperweight.